Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix Android overheating issues with quick and simple steps you can follow right away. Let's get started. Step 1. Close background apps. Swipe up from the bottom or tap the Recent Apps button, then close everything that's running. Apps sitting in the background quietly use up RAM and CPU power, causing your phone to heat up. Make this a daily habit. It helps cool your device instantly. Step 2. Update your software. Head to Settings, tap System, and then select System Update. Outdated software or apps can create performance bugs that make your phone work overtime. Tap Check for updates to refresh your system and reduce overheating. Step 3. Scan for malware. Open Settings, go to Security, and launch Google Play Protect. Run a quick scan. If anything suspicious appears, uninstall it right away. Malware often keeps processes running in the background, which increases heat. Let's go over a few bonus tips. Remove your phone case while charging. It traps heat inside. Avoid using your phone under direct sunlight. Restart your device once a week. A simple restart clears hidden glitches and boosts overall performance. And that's it. Follow these steps to keep your Android cool and running smoothly. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.